Hello guys, I want to change iPhone X battery because iPhone battery is very low. Battery is service. The battery health is 67. Not working good. I want to change battery and replace a new battery health 100. Now turn off iPhone and open scroll. And now put the operator screen to hot and not over hot the screen. Then as yet open the LCD. Slowly open. Now open the scroll sheet on the board. Open all scroll and put another way. Remove the shield on the board. Now remove connector LCD, Face ID, battery. First remove battery connector. Then remove LCD and Face ID connector. Remove the LCD now. Remove the glow under the battery. If not, clean the glow under the battery. Put a little thinner under the battery. Stay 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then remove the battery and replace another battery. Now remove the battery and clean glue on the cover. Okay, cleaning. Now put the battery. This battery is an original battery. Put the battery on the way. Now put the LCD on the board. Close the connector. Now put the LCD. Close the sheet. Check now LCD. You have to check the LCD. Okay, the LCD is checked. Then close the shield on the board. Close the scroll. Then finish battery replace. Now put the LCD and close. Now put the LCD and slowly close the LCD. Then check the battery health. Now close the scroll. Close the scroll. Okay.